So welcome to this Instructable. It's about a Raspberry Pi mouse cam. Now obviously I'm narrating this because the Raspberry Pi doesn't have a microphone on the camera, but it is quite useful for doing simple tasks like this. So basically I discovered there was a little creature in my shed, and it turned out after I set up a camera that it was a little mouse, and this Instructable was an attempt to try and work out how the little mouse was getting in and out of what is a rat cage. And as you just saw, it's very simple. He just climbs straight through the bars. So each time I was able to review the footage, I then looked at ways of making it harder. But it was actually apparent that he could get in anywhere through the bars. Now the setup I have here is effectively a boxing ring where you've got 4 ultrasonic sensors measuring the distance around each side, and information is fed back to the Raspberry Pi, and those measurements are taken continuously, and as soon as one of the distances goes short, i.e. a mouse has gone in between it, it then starts filming. Now you saw on this time I've added some extra bars on the trap, and the mouse just simply goes in the normal entrance. And when I first reviewed this footage, I was wondering, how is he getting out? Well, as you can see, straight over the top. So we've blocked that off now with a few bits of wire, and still the mouse goes in, and obviously he's still managing to get out. So we had to wait a little while to see how this mouse is getting out, and this goes to show how small a hole the mouse can get out of, because he's able to squeeze through a little gap I didn't even realise was there. Takes him a little while, but yeah, he can. Just finish his mouthful and off we go. So now I've blocked it off, but unfortunately I've knocked the camera, and I've got a little glimpse of him escaping through the top. Again, I could not work out where. Now this shows a very clever mouse has decided that it's far too hard squeezing through holes, so he'll just balance on the little door. I thought that was very clever. Now this one shows a little quick glimpse. The infrared light source is quite powerful, and you might be able to see in the distance there's a little pair of eyes. So there's actually 2 mice in my shed, and here you'll see the other mouse just coming down. Now we went into the shed to see if it was set up right, and here is the little man, and you can see he's escaping. Now, I happen to have my digital camera, and I got some good footage of the little mouse, and that is my Raspberry Pi camera.